Guys, welcome to my channel, Giza.
Open the briefcase. Why it's dark? I know. Charan! Oh, good. They have this, my love. Maybe for under. You see? Under. Language. The last time, guys, ito yon. Pero sira na siya, guys. Ang raming butas. And now, crazy Gary is ordering a new one. Square. Ang ganda niya kasi may ano siya, free sock for under.
No, it's the cover for covering.
Above?
Yeah.
Ah, not for under. Okay. So guys, yun, rami. One carton. First carton. Oh, shucks. And here I am. Malaman. For 20, how much? 24K guys. May ano siya. Full with the delivery. May full tubes with a cover above pala.
Cover or
And the sock is maybe under.
yeah.
With a free ladder and the filter pump. Kita niyo ba guys? Yeah. Dati guys, yan guys, wala siyang free ha. Only that. Yung dating pool namin. So maybe it's more good. So guys, see you later about our assembly. Guys, meron siyang 2, 4, 7 parts guys. Yeah, yung intex pool worth 24K guys. And then guys, maganda yung manual niya guys. Di same ng dati. Nawala siyang English language or German language. Ito meron. Bika meron. And then meron siyang CD. Kung gusto mo manood for assembling. Yeah. This is much better. Guys, ko naman. So yeah guys, that's all. And thank you. See you later for assembling box. This is the inside. Yeah. For connection. Maybe it's for connection. before guys, our water is same color of this. But now look the color. Oh my god. It's really super clear. Hi, normal. Oh. So yeah. That's all guys. Shine. Shine. So that's all guys.
Yeah.
That's all for today.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you.
Don't forget to subscribe
And to like and to
and to comment below if you want to comment, and that's